About 7:30 in the morning this morning. You can see we have had a great abundance of rain. Look at the water down here. I mean, it is going everywhere. Almost touching the bottom of the little bridge up there. Right here's where we was cleaning the leaves out of the ditch the other day. Everything, this is the water coming down from the valley behind our house. Over there you can see it coming down from the ditch we cleaned out in that video. It's kind of dammed up over there. I want to try to get that cleaned out. It's got a bunch of junk washed in that's going around it. But man, we've had a lot of rain. We're supposed to get a lot more. Down here on Rock House, checking some of the flood waters out. Getting bad. We've passed some bad spots. I'll show you them on the way back. We may go get the Kubota and try to work on some of this because VDOT's not going to be able to get to all of it. Try to help out a little bit. I want you to look. I'm telling you, it is getting bad. Going right into this lady's house. We're going to turn around and head back home. It's getting bad. I don't believe anybody lives in these two houses now, but look at that. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I mean, we're just getting started. I mean, it's the rain is still a lot to come today.
Dad, them people's.
Man, there's some big rocks in there.
Yeah.